of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. This is the NOAA Weather Radio WXJ87. Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Green Lake County in south-central Wisconsin, Columbia County in south-central Wisconsin, southern Marquette County in south-central Wisconsin, east-central Sauk County in south-central Wisconsin, until 4:45 p.m. At 3:56 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Portage to near Lodi, moving northeast at 35 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Portage, Lake Wisconsin, Lodi, Pratt, Partyville, Randolph, Fall River, Montello, Markesan, Princeton, Rio, Green Lake, Cambria, Packwaukee, Manchester, Arlington, Waukena, Otsego, Oxford, and Endeavor. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with these storms. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning.